What's up, everyone? It's your boy Woto T, the one and only CEO at Woto Traders Academy. Guys, welcome to my Zoom section number 2, lesson number 2, where I get to analyze NASDAQ and also to show you how I get to spot perfect entries when I'm trading NASDAQ. The other thing that today I want to focus on is on building a smaller micro account into a larger account. So guys, let's not forget that I trade with the Royal Segli, I trade with RCG markets, and I also trade with both markets. So today my account that I actually traded today on 8 January 2024, it was a board market account, a micro account in board markets. So guys, let's not forget to trade with the best. If you want to trade with the royalty, if you want to trade with RCG markets, go and click the link. The link is there on my YouTube channel, it's there on my Instagram account, it's there on my Telegram account. I made a point that I provide signals, I provide mentorship there. Shout out to my mentor Bandile. He's the one that made me to end up starting my own trading academy with the progress and seeing that I'm now getting there. I'm not really a 100% profitable trader, as you all know that sometimes market gets to be on the other side of our analysis. So guys, I'm a technical trader. Most of my wins are on technical side. So I teach mostly technical analysis. So without wasting more time, guys, let's just get into the video as I show you how I managed to trade my micro account today, also analyzing NASDAQ. So unfortunately, when I open my trading review, guys, I want to set it because I want to have the setup with me just to explain the setup. It's just a small summary. So if you want to catch here and there, you'll be able to catch here and there. So the first thing that I did, guys, was to open on my trading view. Obviously, I was gonna reset it and remove all drawings. So the first thing that I had to do was to spot the highest level where the market could go, just to see the direction, overall movement direction of the market. So I had to spot that the market from that part, it has been selling. From that day, the market decided to sell. As you can see, from that day, the market was selling. The market decided to sell from that day. As you can see, the market decided to sell from that day. Yeah, I'm trying to use this. The market was selling here, guys, as you can see. So from that day, since the market decided to sell, I had to highlight the spot to say, okay, sharp, the market is now selling. I had to highlight the highest part where the market could go. Which was that part? Let me just do this. Which was that part? Let me highlight it like this so that you guys can see properly while I explain. So this was actually my highest level where the market could go. The highest level where the market could go, it was that part. So I had to highlight that part. Now, and then seeing that the market from that day has been bearish, meaning to say the market has been selling, I then had to use one of the strategies, which is trend line trading strategy. Shout out to my mentor again. Mandile is the one that taught me this one. I'll never stop thanking that guy, guys. So I had to use the trend line trading strategy, which is if you're on sales, meaning to say you have to trade on your to identify the next possible movement of the market. You have to draw it maybe starting with your lower lows and spotting your lower lows and spotting also your high highs, and then making a point that you don't cut the wicks of your candlestick and identify 3 spots. The first 2 spots being the ones that are not supposed to be cut, and then the last spot is the one that determines the next possible movement of the market. So I had to use the strategy. As you can see there, I have my 3 spots highlighted. I drew my trend line there, and then I had to go on it, drawing it also on the bottom part of it. So I had my first touch, second touch, then my third touch. My third touch is the one that was actually assigned to show me that either I'm on buys or I'm on sales. As you can see, the rule says if the candlestick, if you draw a trend line and then the candlestick closes above the trend line, it means that you're on buys. If it closes below the trend line, it means that you're on sales. So we had this candlestick closing below the trend line. As you can see, we had this candlestick closing below the trend line. That candlestick, guys, if you check properly, if I am to highlight the part, it was on 5 January 2024. On that day, it was on Friday. Every first Friday of every each month, we have an event that is a very effective event, which is NFP. So if you can take a look there, the reason why we have that bearish, we had that kind of bearish movement there, as you can see, that candlestick has got a long wick. It was because of the fact that we had NFP during that time. So one or the other, NFP can either be it can be in a bullish movement. It can give us a bearish movement. So unfortunately, during that time on that day, we experienced sales on Nasdaq, and we people that are on my channel, they are lucky because they got the signal. We sold Nasdaq, and then we made a few couple of cents from Nasdaq. And then moving on to explain how then did I managed to take buys that I took today. So we then had I then applied the same rule to say, okay, sharp, this was an event. So the next coming candlestick, I expected it either to close below the trend line, but then it broke above the trend line, meaning to say now, if it breaks above the trend line, closing above the trend line, it means now I'm on buys. But then how then do I wait and confirm those buys? This is what I did then. Waiting and confirming those buys, I was waiting for it to come back and retest my trend line, or retest where it broke the trend line. You understand? So now, before that, remember, I the other thing that was going to make me confirm that I'm now on buys. It was uh, when I have this song being broken. When I have this sun being broken, how then did I see this sun? Remember this candlestick, we had market consolidating here a lot. Remember, if we adjust to lower time frames, we'll see that the market came here and started consolidating, failing to go beyond this part, failing to close below this part. So now I knew that that zone, that area, it was an area of resistance, whatever they call it. I'm not good in terms and and so on, but I know how to apply things. So yeah, when it got here, I knew that this area becomes an area of whatever, what should I call it, area of resistance, where the market comes in and failing to break, then go up, come back on that zone. Okay, so I then now had to highlight the zone to make the zone be a spot where I'm now saying, if the market doesn't, if the market fails to break, comes back for a retest, and it retested it retested the pathway that aligns the same as 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 the pathway that where I had a candlestick closing above. If it breaks that path, I would know that I'm on sales, but not yet confirmed. Meaning to say, if it breaks my zone, this is where I'm now saying, okay, sharp, I'm on sales. But if it fails to break that zone and continue to consolidate, or eventually shooting and breaking that high there, I would confirm that now I'm in buys. So I waited for a retest, and then the market came back and had to retest. After retesting, to go up again a little bit, consolidating, and came back and retest, creating what we call a double top. Where do I see a double top there? Let me highlight that spot. Where do I see a double top there? A double bottom, in fact. It's a bottom, guys, double bottom. There's one there. Where's the second one? There's another one there. Even there's another one there. So from there, guys, the market had to shoot up. As you all know, after we experience a double bottom, it's either you wait for a confirmation, confirmation, just wait for one bullish candlestick to close. After that one bullish candlestick to close, if you now have that one bullish candlestick appearing and then it closes as a bullish candlestick, it's a sign, it's a confirmation that you are now about to experience more buyers coming in. So that is why we have that kind of movement there that you see where the market was pushed high, So now after I got in, this is the part, this is where I got in, guys. This is where I got in. This is where I got in. So after I got in here, guys, I then waited for to see if the market breaks that higher, that previous. The other thing that I did was to apply what I call the use of major of major swings. So the use of major swings is either major swing high, major swings low, or yeah. So I used that strategy, the use of major swings. So I had my first identifying the lowest part, which is my major swing low, and then that one became my major swing high. Came back again. If the market broke this major swing low, it was going to bounce, but it failed to reach that major swing low, creating a major swing low there, and then it went up. It failed to break that major swing high there. So I knew that the market now would want to play around that part. So that's why I had to highlight this one using these dotted lines that you can see that are in red color. So I knew that either if the market breaks above this part, it's buying. If the market breaks below this part, it's going to sell. So I had my area highlighted where the market is playing, consolidating there. So after the breakout of after the market had to consolidate, eventually just gonna break either below or above this. So I waited for it. So now, when I was trading this one, remember I had my low here. I had my previous major swing high highlighted there. I got in here. I wanted to take a few cents, a few coins from this part up until to this part. So when I got in here, my first target of that part, where I was waiting to see the market either breaking above or below. If it broke above, I was still gonna hold my trade, and actually broke above. How it had to give me a strong bullish movement there, breaking also that previous major swing high that we have there. So eventually, I knew that the market is now going up. It's now going up. It went up, But then, how then did I manage to spot more entries? How then did I manage to spot more entries? As you can see, guys, if I go to my vote channel, to my vote, what do I call it? Vote terminal, you can see that I have this trades taken in. It's a live account that you can see, guys. So I also want to explain to you guys. I took this account today in the morning. It was around 1 p.m. I took it and I deposited only 150, to that account. As you can see, I deposited only 150 to that account. Then taking my trades, this is what happened, guys. So after what I was trading this account, as you can see now, my profits are sitting on 3,100 and something around that range. So how then did I manage to spot my entries here? How then did I manage to spot my entries? Remember, as you can see, this is where I got in, guys. After I got that breakout, which this part that you can see there is this breakout, guys. Is this breakout? Is this breakout? No, it's this first breakout. It's this first breakout. On level 16 something 16,356. I think that's where I got my entries. That's where I managed to spot my entries and got in. Let me see, 16 something. and we are 316, 37, and you can see close to that range. That's where I spotted my entries. First one. So I got in. It was my first, then my second being, remember the second one is this one. Okay, let me do this. Push the market, shift the chart. And then the second being this one, as you can see. So let me highlight those ones just for you guys to see. After I hit this, got in, and it broke out this one after that. Yeah, why did I not get in here? I was just waiting for a retest. After a retest, I was gonna go in, and then I was shooting up all the way. So this is how I traded it, guys. As you can see now, I'm still holding. I'm still holding. So it went up all the way up. But then, as the market, remember, as the market goes up, guys, on lower time frames, my entries, I was spotting my entries on 5 minutes time frame, but then I had to adjust to 15 minutes time frame as well to spot my major swing highs and my major swing lows, which are the one that make me spot entries. So as you can see on 15 minutes time frame, we get that kind of chart. We have that kind of chart. High, the breakout one, took this one, and then waited for again, and I got in here again. I got in when the market was shooting up this time. I kept on adding and adding and adding more trades. So going up again on 5 minutes time frame, adjusting to a lower time frame. This is the time frame where I got a chance of adding more and more trades. So as you can see, guys, after market had to shoot up, I added more trades and wanted to create a lower low, a major swing low. I had to place more trades, broke that, shoot it up, place more trades. Each and every major low, I was adding more trades. Seeing that the market is failing, provided it is failing to reach that major swing low, the previous major swing low. So I was adding more trades, adding more trades. As it stands, guys, now, where the market is sitting, the market is sitting here. The market is sitting here. The market is here. Let me put a red line there. Let me put a red line. Bring it there. Make it red. Red. Red for danger. Yeah. Hey. Good. I want to move the chart now. No, yes. Okay. So where the market is sitting now, guys, I have this major swing low. Guys, I have this major swing low. After here, the market created my major swing high there. So it comes back again. It will want to, if it breaks below this part, I would know that now we no longer on buys, we're on sales. But if it fails and then shoot up, break this part, we are now on buys again. So now when it breaks this part, we continue with our buys. When it breaks with that part, we are continuing with our buys. But if it breaks, so I'm now working with this range now. It can consolidate around that range and then break, either waiting for a breakout, breaking above or breaking below. If it breaks below, I'm now on sales. I close all my trades. If it breaks above, I still hold my trades. We are now on buys. We continue on buys. We continue with our buys. So this is how NASDAQ. This is how I traded. I just my 1 hour time frame. So where is the market aiming to go to? The market is aiming to go that you can see that I'm aiming for. So as the market aims, keep on adding trades, adding trades. So it will always do ups and downs, ups and downs, ups and downs. But this is the movement for today, guys. The market did this for today. Moved from this part up until it went there. Up until it went there, up the way it's sitting right now. So this is where I'm sitting, guys. This is where I'm sitting now. So what the market is doing here, if I get to notice that now it's giving me signs, to bullish movements. Going to 5 minutes time frame. Let me go to 5 minutes time frame. If 5 minutes, they are now starting to experience. Yes. Am I getting any sign? Yes, I'm getting signs. that we are on making, yes, I'm getting signs that we are buying. I'm getting signs that we are buying. Remember, I'm starting to see some bullish candlestick coming in. So meaning to say I might be buying, yeah, because I have this bullish candlestick there, though you can hardly see it. Let me check it on 15 minutes time frame. Let me check on 15 minutes time frame how it is. So on 15 minutes time frame, I'll wait for this candlestick. This candlestick, it closes as a bullish candlestick. One way or the other, now makes the sign for me that we continue with our buys. The part where I don't want to see the market coming to is this part on 15 minutes time frame. So now I will highlight that part. Hey, I don't want you. I want this one. The part that A. So it's the time. Nothing. Even. Right. The part on the market. I then highlight the part that I don't guys. From where that from where I have that long candlesticks. Remember this I have this candlestick closing above. So the part that I don't want to see the market coming to is this red, this below this red line. So the market, as long as the market plays around here, it gets inside my box there, that's on there, plays around that one, still fine. Once I get inside that box, a green candlestick coming in, a bullish coming in and closing as a bullish candle, it's a sign to me that my guy getting for buys. So I'll wait here. Once it closes like a bullish candlestick, I'm buying. I'm buying because already I have this candlestick that has failed to close below. It's a sign again, a retracement candlestick failing to close below. And then this one coming in as a retest, this straight one coming in as a retest. And then this one, if it closes a bullish candlestick, it's now a sign to me it's buys. I'm getting for buys. Breaks. Once it breaks straight up to where to target, which is on 1 hour. My next expected move for NASDAQ. So from there, and then we'll then get to as we go there. This is how guys I trade NASDAQ. I don't complicate things, just keeping it simple. Though I might be explaining it a bit complicated, but my students do understand because I provide lessons for them, I teach them. Shout out to you again, shout out to my mentor Vandile, the one that pushed me to an extent of me saying to say, let me just pass on the knowledge. And for those of you who want to follow me on Instagram as Butu, and also I'm available on YouTube as Butu Traders. We are available also on Twitter as Butu Traders again. So guys, this is on TikTok again, it's Butu Traders. So if you want to follow me, guys, you can go and check out my videos and check out the content that I'm still yet to upload. I hope everyone understands and everyone is benefiting from the market. That wasting time, guys. Shout out to you all. Thanks for subscriptions and thanks for the comments. Thanks for those of you that are sharing. Let's keep on supporting. Let's keep on supporting the page and obviously swimming in clothes. Sometimes the market does us dirty, guys. We know market can be very aggressive to us. But as we all know that the comeback is always strong. So let's keep it like that, guys. Shout out to you all. My mentor used to say, "Get money doesn't make money." So let's all be aware of that, guys. Shout out to you. I sign off. Thank you.